As indicated by the most recent long-haul figure, Axie cost will hit $15 toward the finish of 2023 and afterward $20 by the center of 2026. Axie will ascend to $25 inside the time of 2027. Axie value expectation 2023 to 2024. Axie cost began in 2023 at $6. Today, Axie exchanged at $8.48. So the cost expanded by 41% from the outset of the year. The anticipated Axie cost toward the finish of 2023 is $15.11 and the year-to-year change plus 152%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 78%. In 2023, we hope to see $10.42 per one Axie. In the principal half of 2024, the Axie cost will move to $16.43. In the final part, the cost would add $1.43 and close the year at $17.86, which is plus 111% to the ongoing cost. The figure for later, close to days and months: Friday, April 21st, $8.51. Saturday, April 22nd, $8.53. Sunday, April 23rd, $8.56. Monday, April 24th, $8.59. Tuesday, April 25th, $8.62. Wednesday, April 26th, $8.64. Thursday, April 27th, $8.67. Friday, April 28th, $8.70. May 15th, $9. The 16th of June, $10.01. July 15th, $10.80. August 15th, $11.59. September 15th, $12.38. October 15th, $13.15. Axie forecast 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Axie cost would move from $17.86 to $28.92, which is up 62%. Axie will begin 2025 at $17.86, then dip to $17.34 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $19.94. That implies plus 135% from today. Axie forecast 2030 to 2034. In this period, the Axie cost would ascend from $28.92 to $41.53, which is plus 44%. Axie will begin 2030 at $28.92, then take off to $30.66 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2030 at $32.38. It is about plus 282% from today. Axie value forecast 2023 to 2024. Axie cost began in 2023 at $6. Today, Axie exchanged at $8.42. So the cost expanded by 40% from the start of the year. The Guaj Axie cost toward the finish of 2023 is $15.05 and the year-to-year change plus 151%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 79%. In 2023, we hope to see $10.38 per one Axie. In the principal half of 2024, the Axie cost will move to $16.37. In the final part, the cost would add $1.42 and close the year at $17.79, which is plus 111% to the ongoing cost. Axie expectation 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Axie cost would move from $17.79 to $28.81, which is up 62%. Axie will begin 2025 at $17.79, then, at that point, dip to $17.28 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $19.87. That implies plus 136% from today. Axie expectation 2030 to 2034. In this period, the Axie cost would ascend from $28.81 to $41.41, which is plus 44%. Axie will begin 2030 at $28.81, then, at that point, take off to $30.54 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2030 at $32.26. It is about plus 283% from today. 03/15/2023 Axie value forecast 2023 to 2024. Axie cost began in 2023 at $6. Today, Axie exchanged at $8.76. So the cost expanded by 46% from the very outset of the year. The estimated Axie cost toward the finish of 2023 is $15.75 and the year-to-year change plus 163%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 80%. In 2023, we hope to see $10.86 per one Axie. In the main portion of 2024, the Axie cost will move to $17.51. In the final part, the cost would add $1.33 and close the year at $18.84, which is plus 115% to the ongoing cost. Axie expectation 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Axie cost would move from $18.84 to $34.82, which is up 85%. Axie will begin 2025 at $18.84, then take off to $22.23 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $25.56. That implies plus 192% from today. Axie expectation 2030 to 2034. In this period, the Axie cost would ascend from $34.82 to $46.27, which is plus 33%. Axie will begin 2030 at $34.82, then, at that point, take off to $36.91 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2030 at $38.99. It is about plus 345% from today. 0301 2023 Axie value expectation 2023 to 2024 Axie cost began in 2023 at $6. Today, Axie exchanged at $9.93. So the cost expanded by 66% from the outset of the year. The determined Axie cost toward the finish of 2023 is $19.76, and the year-to-year change plus 229%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 99%. In 2023, we hope to see $13.63 per 1 Axie. In the principal half of 2024, the Axie cost will move to $21.96. In the last part, the cost would add $1.67 and close the year at $23.63, which is plus 138% to the ongoing cost. Axie forecast 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Axie cost would move from $23.63 to $43.66, which is up 85%. Axie will begin 2025 at $23.63, then take off to $27.88 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $32.06. That implies plus 223% from today. Axie forecast 2030 to 2034. In this period, the Axie cost would ascend from $43.66 to $58.02, which is plus 33%. Axie will begin 2030 at $43.66, then, at that point, take off to $46.28 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2030 at $48.88. It is about plus 392% from today. 0215 2023 Axie value forecast 2023 to 2024 Axie cost began in 2023 at $6. Today, Axie exchanged at $9.90. So the cost expanded by 65% from the very outset of the year. The anticipated Axie cost toward the